There's that doorbell. Ugh. I just heard somebody at the door. I wonder who it is. I'm gonna go back upstairs. Maybe it's nobody. I don't see anybody out there. La 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 la. Just doing some makeup. Yeah, yeah. Guys, I don't have a dog. That's just how. Ow! That's just how my house goes. All right, I'm gonna go answer the door. Hold on. Who the heck are you? Why are you at my house? I'm only here because I am your next door neighbor. Ow. Come in. I said come in. Come on. It's okay. A nice room you got there. Can I put on some makeup? No! Why would you want to put on my makeup if you are a boy? I'm a girl, thank you pretty much. I am no boy. Where'd you go? I fell! Oh, that looks like it hurts. It does. I have to go with that every single day. I hate it. Don't like it. And, you gotta tell you something. What? We don't have a bathroom here. So, I have to use people's public bathrooms because my house doesn't have a bathroom. That is crazy. I mean, you would have to go to a public bathroom just because you don't have a bathroom? Why not try to use the bathroom outside? Really? Bruh. Nobody is going to try to just use the bathroom outside. I know I usually don't act like this in my videos, so I'm just trying to do this to be funny. I don't normally act like this when I make videos. I just try to do it to be funny. Okay, but I'm not going to use the bathroom outside because that is gross. No, it's not. I'm warning you, it's not gross as you think it is. Can you please get out of my house? Okay. See you tomorrow. I'm not going to see you tomorrow because I don't even know you. Get out. Bye. That guy is so creepy. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock p.m. Not for real though. Just in the video. But it's 12 o'clock right now in Toyland. I'm pretty tired right now. I don't know why he visited my house at 12 o'clock and it's already 12:23. I'm going to bed. The next morning, I am ready to get up and put on some makeup. La la la. I'm done. Come on now, who could be at the door next? Mrs. Unicorn. Yes, it's me. The mother of Skillet and Sal. Yeah. My voice used to be chubby, but now that I lost weight, I'm all better. Yeah. So yeah, Anna and everybody else told me about you. Well, I'm very surprised about that because I am the new YouTuber in town. I never made a YouTube video before. This is my first one. Okay. But I tried. Well, I was in somebody's YouTube video. Her name was Anna Arundel. I'm just here, but like, I know what we're here to talk about. I know what we're here to talk about. Your son, Skillet. Well, it's just that I'm pretty sorry for his loss. Where'd Sal go? Oh, she's on a trip with her grandma. Why? Because I've been having lots of trouble with Skillet and them. You know, Skillet's still alive. It's just that his face is half chopped off, so we had to give him plastic eyes so that way he could see. But yeah, he's all right. He's with his grandpa. They have the same grandpa and grandma. But anyway, I'm sorry for your loss. I don't have a loss. I'm sorry for the face loss. Are you kidding me? You don't get what I'm trying to say. Oh, sorry. Well, I'm going to get out now. See you tomorrow. Okay. This door is so small, and I'm so glad I got through this. This is incredibly so small. I can't even get out of this thing. Help me, somebody. You don't want to see how I'm supposed to escape out this door, so I'm going to disappear. Kapow! Skillet and all the rest of the people have powers, but why don't I? It's no fair. The first one, well, the first toy to make a video was Allie and Trey. Just kidding, her name is Allie Canford. You know who Allie is, right? There's a video called Morning Routine with Allie, and it has an angel emoji. You will look for that soon, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!